Turk. You're cute. You're cute too. He's been attacking me every single time I come out to feed. And I've never been mean to him. And I don't know what else to do at this point. I don't want to keep a mean rooster. Especially when I have this guy. And he's never attacked me. So. Plus, I think this one is gonna be a rooster. That one in that corner. So. In this pot is what I call chaos mix, which was a bunch of tomato seeds and pepper seeds that I had on racks drying last fall, that my husband spilled all the seeds and mixed them all together. So I just threw them all in a bag and called it Chaos Mix. So I'm going to have to separate all of these little seedlings. I've got purple bush beans right here, broccoli right here, we've got peas right there, green star lettuce right there, igloo lettuce right there, and that's all that's sprouting so far. So I just got done, I just hurried and took a couple sprouts out of the chaos mix, and I just separated them into individual bags. I'm going to start doing that, and then I up-potted the beans into their own big pot. You're definitely a rooster, aren't ya? I'll leave these guys in here, let everyone get to know each other before I let them out and mix with the flock. I just got done separating all of the broccoli sprouts from one bag into 8 separate bags.